Good day. I will show you our manual call point on our fire alarm system, Consilium. This is how to remove the cover of the limit switch. This is only the common problem. I hope I'll share to you my basic troubleshooting and tips. Okay? Because I embark the ship and then I test all the manual call points on the accommodation. It seems there is lots of manual call point did not activate. Okay, only need to check this limit switch. Okay, 1 and 3, there is a resistance on that contact that is normally closed when the glass is not engaged, or the limit switch is at rest. It means normally closed. 1 and 3, we need to clean only that contact. And then 1 and 2 terminal is at the center, means that is normally open. When glass is engaged, that is contact turns to close. Okay, I have 3 manual call point here that I need to recondition. Okay, just simply remove that cover, and then as you can see, 1 and 3, there is a resistance on that contact. Same with the 1 and 2. Okay, this is how I rectify. This is very simple and it helps a lot for us, because this is a critical spare and I have 1 left. I already ordered, but I need to rectify first this one, because commonly that is only the problem. Then you can, this is addressable. Okay, there is a dip switch. This is the box from the spare. Then this is the contact that I clean. I put a blade to trigger the limit switch for the 1 and 2. I get 0.01. I finished cleaning. Okay, as you can see, 1 and 2 is closed when I triggered. That is normally open, but when we triggered, the contact will close. Okay, that's it. That is the importance of cleaning and maintenance the limit switch. You can use it. Okay, this is how limit switch works.